Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can delete an old location on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, if you have your own business or something of the sort on Google Maps, you can easily delete it yourself through the Business Center, which you set up the location in, and that should delete it automatically here. However, if it doesn't, you can also just make an edit suggestion, especially if it's not your business. You can make the edit suggestion. If it is, you can remove it yourself. But to make an edit suggestion to a location that is incorrect but is not yours specifically, you can just go to whichever location you want. For example, take this restaurant, and then once you're here, you need to scroll down and go to suggest an edit. Here, you're going to go into the hours section, and here you can click update operating status, which is either in operation. You can set it up to be temporarily closed, permanently closed, it doesn't exist here, or move to another location depending on what your wishes or intentions are, depending on the actual status of the location at hand. And after you're done with that, the owner or the person that set that location up will review it and then possibly remove it. Might even be tied to the Google Maps or Google staff themselves. But other than that, that is essentially all there is to it. There really is nothing else to mention. Pretty much the same process applies for mobile as well. You can just add a suggestion and remove it yourself. And I do repeat that you can go to the Business Center and go and delete your own business if it is your business or your location that is the topic of this. And that is pretty much it. Now, for other locations, you can also suggest an edit. Pretty much for all locations that are on Google Maps, you can suggest an edit, go to open hours, and then just change the operating status. And that is pretty much all there is to it. Really is that simple. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.